Delete unused apps on your iPhone fast. The simplest way to delete an app is directly from your home screen. Locate the app you want to remove. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Then tap Remove App. Now select Delete App. Finally, confirm by tapping Delete. The app will instantly disappear from your iPhone. If you can't find the app on your home screen, you can delete it through Settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Then select iPhone Storage. You'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Tap on any app you want to remove. Choose Delete App and confirm. This method is especially useful when managing storage, as you can also see how much space each app is using before deleting it. To make sure the app has been completely removed, swipe on your home screen to reach the app library. Click on the search bar and type the app's name. If it doesn't appear in the results, that means it's successfully deleted from your iPhone. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips.